Hey cousins, so today's video is brought to you guys by Eayon here, and let me tell you, you guys seen that intro. If you want to be able to serve multiple looks with one unit, then today's video is for you. Don't forget to check out my description box for coupon codes, a direct link to Eayon hair, and of course a direct link to the unit that I'm showcasing today. Y'all definitely stay tuned because this unit is a whole vibe. You want to serve multiple looks? I got you. Today's video is going to be a little bit more detailed than I normally do, but it's because this unit deserves it, okay? This wig is everything. So I have been wearing this unit for 5 days now, so that lets you know how I feel about this wig. The hairline did come pre-plucked, but it was a little bit too dense for my liking, so you see me going in right now, customizing it, getting old girl together. Check out that clear lace. Speaking of clear lace, let me give you guys the details and the specs on this wig. This is Eayon Hair's 3-in-1 undetectable clear lace 13x6 lace front wig. I'll have the direct link in my description box. I have it in 20 inches and I believe I have 150% density. Let me check. Yes, I have 150% density. So if you want something even thicker, it does come in 180%. However, 150% is perfect in my opinion.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow and hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
So we have a sidebar. This is my first time trying Eayon, New York's Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray in an extreme firm hold. Sis, cousins, why didn't y'all tell me? Why didn't y'all tell me how bomb this adhesive is? Got to be glue. Who? Let's talk a little bit more about this unit. So, as advertised, this unit is a 3-in-1 wig, meaning straight out of the package, you get this gorgeous blowout yaki texture. Everything that I could ever want in a texture unit and more. And then you get the option to straighten it, or you can even add curls, wand curls, whatever you would like. So that's your style number 2. And then something that's near and dear to my heart, you can wet it and then you get this gorgeous curly texture. A 3-in-1 or even more wig, you have options with this unit. I personally feel like if you're the type of person who just wants an all-in-one unit, this wig is for you. This unit on for 4 hours now and I've been feeling real good. Okay, I've been feeling cute. I went and ran some errands and it's like 80 something degrees here in California today. I didn't get any shedding, of course, like no tangling. I don't want to proceed to the next style just because I'm absolutely in love with this kinky blowout texture. But of course we must move, the video must go on. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to flat iron it. I might curl it, I don't know, but I'm going to flat iron it to see how straight it gets when it's flat ironed, and then I'm going to add some water and see how it looks when it's curly. Stay tuned, I'm so excited. I got everything you need, babe. Tipsy, you can toss the keys, babe. Sit back while we on the freeway. Got a nigga on his knees, babe. Got a nigga
begging, please, babe. Knowing you don't wanna leave, babe. Got a nigga begging, please stay. That's on God. That's on God. Girls gon' wild, but all I see is you. On God. Girls gon' wild, but all I see is you. Yeah. They say that couples were made to fuss.
You can literally see the excitement exuding from my face, okay? So you see how it looks with the blowout texture, and voila, that's how it looks once you flat iron everything. And I did have my flat iron on 420 degrees Fahrenheit, so it takes heat extremely well. Back view action, so you can see how long the 20 inches is falling on me. I am 5'2", 5'2 and a half, 5'3" on a good day. So yes, body yaddy yaddy. Luster is amazing. Now I hopped out the shower and check the curls out. Everything. Y'all know how I feel about curly hair, so I was totally in my element. You need this wig for all your summer vacation trips, okay? It's too versatile. All you need is one wig. That's all you need.
Okay, bottles in the club, pocket full of huns, and you just broke 2 in the ones. Ayy, you and all your girls, you ain't out here looking for love. And I know niggas made you cry, but I know I can make you come. I ain't tryna be facetious, but you sweeter than Reese's. Got more class than all my teachers. Let me hit you with this thesis. I for you, you for me. We the new Osiris and Isis. Copper private to Dubai, talking fly shit like a pilot, baby.
Keep it real with yourself. Caught up in these feelings, I'ma keep it real with.
Now Eayon here. Y'all did not have to do the boys and girls like that. Did y'all see how easily my brush glided through this hair? Texture A1, hair quality A1. Y'all know when I'm hype is real. This is how the hair looks once it's dry. Endless compliments. I was in the mirror complimenting myself. That's how bomb this wig is, okay? Definitely check the link in my description box, because this unit is one that you will want to get your hands on. I feel like it's the perfect spring, summer, and year-round wig. Definitely get your hands on it. And Eayon Hair does offer quad pay, meaning you can get this unit and pay 4 easy installments, and you can have your wig in your hand with just the first down payment. They're making it easy for the boys and girls to serve looks all year round. So y'all, let me know how you feel about this wig. Y'all can tell I'm being dramatic because that's how the wig had me feeling, okay? Thank y'all for tuning in to my channel. Thank you guys for showing endless love to me. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.